So when you think about DenMat, you think about innovation. And to me, innovation starts with art. So the art process actually takes the guessing out of the prep process. And so there's really no guessing with regards to this unique way of doing it. We actually have the templates that the doctor will sit in the patient's mouth and actually strategically mark exactly where we need to reduce some enamel. And so really there's no guessing in this. It's actually just taking this process and going to finish. Along with creating the templates, there is a approval process, which basically is once we design the case, the doctor will sit down and approve it, sometimes with the patient. And then from there, we can actually create a template that can help with creating provisionals. And this is important because then the patient actually gets to test drive a prototype of what their final smile will look like. And from there, we can actually go into finishing the case.